Alright, so you've got the 5 important components of any soldering job. We've got the wire brush, we've got a sand cloth, we've got the flux paste, we've got a brush used to apply the flux paste, and we got our good old lead-free solder. So let's go ahead and get to work. Don't forget your propane torch. Okay, my Hank Hill impression needs some work, but alright, let's go. Alright, so it's my understanding that the way this works is this flux paste here, as the joint gets hotter and hotter, the flux paste is going to evaporate. Now evaporation, of course, is an endothermic process, so it's going to make the inside of this really cold. It's going to draw energy into it. Maybe not really cold, just colder than the immediate surroundings. And so then it'll basically create a vacuum in there, because as you decrease the temperature, you decrease the pressure of the gas inside. And so when you go to solder it, it's going to just suck the solder right around it and fill the whole gap all the way around just by putting it at that one spot. Now, the trick that I had, because I was doing this a little bit yesterday, and one of the problems that I had was I was getting this thing too hot to the point where the solder would just melt off. It wouldn't actually work itself all the way around. So one of the things I'm going to try to do, one of the guys at work recommended this actually, is to get it hot and then take the solder and bump it until I notice that it's starting to melt, then take the flame away and then press it against. So let's give that a try. Put my elbow on.